So here now, you describe what you want to do, the image you want, the type of image you want. So I like keeping the descriptions simple. You can actually make it elaborate, give a whole lot of descriptions, but we're going to do a simple, using a simple text. Young African woman with braided hair wearing Ankara dress. Very simple. So here now you select the aspect ratio you want the image to appear. And is it 4:3? Is it 16:9? Is it 2:3? 2.35 by 1? So is it 1:1, 2:3, 9:6? Because most people go or do YouTube videos, 16:9 is very suitable for YouTube videos and wide screens. So I prefer 16:9. So let's go with 16:9. So here you can actually add a style to it. You can actually add an image to guide it on what you want it to generate. If you have an image you want the AI to look at and design yours, you can actually feed it here. But if you do not have, it's not a problem. Just describe what you want. The AI will take it off from there and give you what you want. So having put the description here, the prompt you want it to go with, click on generate. Yeah, here are the images. These are 4 images AI has generated using the prompt to feed it. So with this now, you can actually download them using this icon here. If you choose this, you can actually download these 4 if you need the 4 images, or you select any of them you need and just go to this download icon and select. So with this now, you can actually download and use it for whatever thing you want to do. It's as simple as that. So thank you very much for watching.